Do you want to find the deleted story on Instagram? You can view all your deleted stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find deleted story on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding deleted stories on Instagram is the process of accessing and viewing stories that have been previously posted but have since been removed from your account. There are several reasons why you might want to view a deleted story. You may accidentally delete a story and wish to recover it to repost or remove it permanently from Instagram. To find recently deleted stories on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your Instagram profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Scroll down until you find your activity and tap on it. Under your activity screen, continue scrolling down and tap on Recently Deleted. From here, you'll view all Instagram posts and stories that were deleted within the last 30 days. To view all deleted stories from Instagram, tap on this story icon. Here, you'll find all the stories you have deleted in the last 30 days. Now you can view, restore, or permanently delete these recently deleted stories. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your recently deleted stories from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.